Okay, today we're going to do a problem involving a subject that gives a lot of students trouble in algebra, and that is polynomial long division. It's very similar to numerical long division, it just has the addition of variables. And the best way to work with these is to just work with it one variable at a time, or one term at a time, I should say. So we have this algorithm here. It says divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, remainder. Those are very similar steps to what we do when we do numerical long division. But we're just going to translate them into algebra, into working with the letters. So the best place to start is the first terms in each expression. So we're going to do the first thing and divide them. So 6x squared divided by 3x equals, x's cancel out, and so you have 2x when you divide those. So then that will go on the top here, 2x. Okay, so that's the divide step. Okay, we're just dividing the terms. Okay, now we're going to multiply. So now we have 2x times, we're taking the number from here, whatever's up there, it's 2x times 3x plus 2. Okay, so this is a good place to use the distributive property. So this is 6x squared plus 4x. So we have 6x squared plus 4x. Okay? Alright, so that's the multiply step. Now we're going to subtract. Okay? So that just means make each sign its opposite. So this becomes minus, plus to minus, and plus to minus. And now we just add down. So 6x squared minus 6x squared, those cancel out. That'll always happen with the first term. If it doesn't, go back and check your work. 3x minus 4x is negative x minus 2. Okay? So now we have negative x minus 2. So that's the subtract step, and I also did the bring down step right there when I brought down the negative 2. So now we're going to do the remainder. Well, we don't have a remainder in this case because we brought down, so we're going to not have a remainder. We will just start the process over again because it's an algorithm is what it's called. It's a process that keeps going and going and going. So now, that's the first part of it. Now let's go back to the divide step. And this time we're going to take negative x divided by 3x. Okay, and that gives us negative 1/3. Okay, so that gives us negative 1/3. Every once in a while, a fraction will pop up. It happens. It's life. Okay, so now we're going to do, so that's the divide step again. Now we're going to multiply again. Negative 1/3 times 3x plus 2. So that's the multiply step. So that gives us negative x minus 2/3. Right? And then next step is to subtract. So that just means make all the signs opposites. So plus, plus. So then yeah, things cancel out. Very nice. And so negative 2 plus 2/3, that would be negative 4/3. So what we have is our remainder negative 4/3. So we have minus 4/3 over 3x plus 2. Now where did the 3x plus 2 come from, you ask? It comes from right there. When we get to the remainder part, it's just the remainder divided by whatever the divisor is. So that is a pretty simple way to do polynomial long division. So in case you can't see it very easily, the answer is 2x minus 1/3 minus 4/3 over 3x plus 2. And that would be the final answer.